Hey, good morning. It's Dan from Dan and Bree's Adventure. Well, today's a big day. We're taking the camper in to Tom's Camperland to get everything fixed. Great impressive story about InTech's customer service. So I taped this up so it wouldn't jiggle around while we're driving down the road. So we're going to get this replaced with this. And then we're going to get the speakers put on. They're going to give us a new fridge. I'm packing up, getting ready to go to Willow Springs Lake with Bree this weekend. We're pretty excited about that. But if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I had some issues with the trailer, and I want to talk to you a little bit, give you an update of what's happened. So I guess the big question is, does InTech have good customer service? So in this video, I'm going to let you decide by the end. Thursday evening, Bree was on the phone with Rich Schnippel, I hope I said that right, and he is the director of marketing and sales for InTech. So again, that was a Thursday night. He said he'd see what he could do, because if you watched my last video, I called Tom's Camperland. They said it's about a 3-week wait, and a week within that first 3 weeks, I never even got a phone call. So Rich gave them a call, said that he knew somebody down there. And the next morning, so this is Friday morning at 8:30, we got a phone call from Tom's Camperland saying, if you bring the camper in today, we'll have it ready for tomorrow. But I was already on my way to work, so they said if you bring it in Saturday, we'll have it ready Tuesday. So they're closed Sundays and Mondays. So we drove down there Saturday, and the place was packed. They had campers, cars everywhere. So they weren't kidding when they said it was a 3-week wait. So anyway, I had my fingers crossed that they'd be able to have the trailer done by Tuesday, and we dropped it off and we left, and it was sad not having it here at home. And anyway, the rack. So they replaced the rack. They patched up the old holes. We haven't been in the rain yet, so we'll see how they did. The rack is much better. It's so much stronger. I actually tried drilling through it to mount my shovel, and it was quite difficult to get through it. Then I got everything put back on it. Also the speakers. So we had, I think, a 4¼ inch speaker before. InTech said this new upgraded speakers that were 5¼ inch, 5¼ or 5½. Down at Tom's Camperland, they actually drilled a bigger hole and put the new ones in, and everything working fine there. And they also gave us a brand new fridge. So instead of sending the fridge back or doing anything like that, they just took one out of a unit they had there and gave us that one, and they're going to take care of it from there. And then the propane sensor, LP gas, I actually changed that myself, and that hasn't gone off once in quite a while. So it looks like everything's good to go. So you decide, but I think InTech's customer service is amazing. Again, we've had nothing but great dealings with them, and I'd highly recommend getting the InTech Flyer Pursuit trailer, or any InTech trailer for that matter. So thanks for watching. Bye.